Oh my god, my voice is back. Did you just flush, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, it's Living with Shanda. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I am glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I'm just coming out of a cold, so I'm going to be sipping on my tea so it keeps my voice, because my voice is not good now, so please bear with me. But I had to shoot this video because today I'm actually going to be using what I'm shooting this video. Today's video, as you saw in the title, I'm going to be showing you how I put together my bridesmaid box proposal. If you're engaged, congratulations, and I'm excited for you. I'm happy for you, and I hope that this process is a little bit smoother for you, and I hope that the information I'm going to be sharing with you in this video is going to be helpful to you. If you're planning to ask your groommen or your bridesmaids to be in your wedding and you're looking for a way to do that, hopefully these ideas are going to be great for you. I'm first going to start with the bridesmaids because they have a lot of pieces to put together. The groommen just had like 3 things. I think it's going to be easier for me to just pick the boys. It's Sunday morning, and our groommen and bridesmaids, for those who live in the state, are all going to be coming later today for a get-together. They don't know that we're going to be asking them to be in our wedding. I mean, some of them know that the one day we're probably going to ask them, but I don't know we're actually going to be asking them this way. The reason why I'm putting it this way is because I want to give the option to my bridesmaids to say yes or no. Let me show you what I have for the girls. Obviously, alright, so for the girls I have this to make noise. So I got these from Amazon. I have these envelopes because I'm going to be putting letters here for the girls, and for the boys it's just a little message. So I'm going to actually put that on the side. I got these name tags from the dollar store. I was not able to find one on Amazon that I liked. I'm going to actually cut these to the shape I want. I got these boxes from Amazon. It's a set of 12. I don't remember how much it is, but I'm going to link below this set of boxes. I also found these beautiful glasses. The girls are all getting each one of these. Makeup removers. This set that I got from Amazon that comes with 8 pens, 8 bracelets, 8 I can't tie the knots without you, and 8 crunches. I've already removed one. It has actually one white for the brides, which I don't really care. I've already used one. So these are what the pens look like. I got these back bombs. I also decided to do some DIYs. So I went online and I found these beautiful pictures on I think Etsy that says, "Will you be my bridesmaid?" I made it a little bit bigger, so I'm going to add that into the box. You'll see what it looks like. I also have the maid of honor here. We're actually having 2 maids of honor and 2 best men, and this is the letter I have for the girls. I'm giving my girls the option to opt out, so they can either stay to be a bridesmaid or they can say they don't want to, and I'm pretty much telling them what I expect from them as a bridesmaid. There was a video of this girl on TikTok that went viral because she had a letter telling her bridesmaids what she expects from them, what she's looking for and what she doesn't. And so I kind of like got some of those ideas and created mine. So I have everyone gets these, and then I talked about the bachelor party, so who is in the bachelor party. I have other, like the cost. I have here the cost of certain things because we want to travel. I have always also commitment, and I have 3 dates of wedding shopping that I've already put together. So if they want to show up at the wedding dress shopping, they can come. Things that I encourage but not mandatory, things that are mandatory like the rehearsal, the wedding, and the bachelorette trip. And then if they have any other question. So every girl is getting one of these. The boys don't get that. Here are the names, and I'm going to cut them and put into their boxes. And then I have saved the dates. I'm also getting a picture of, so every girl is getting a sample of the color that I'm using. It's going to be like a dusty lilac. It's not purple, but it looks purple. It's not. it's gonna be more like this. So I printed the shape I want to use for the name tags. So I'm gonna go ahead, cut all my shapes for the boys and the girls. I'm gonna also cut all these here, and I'm also gonna cut all these along with the names. Got more of the shapes here. So here are my boxes. They're pretty easy to make. All I have to do is open like this, and it has that. Press down on it, and you have your box. So I'm going to first open all the boxes for the girls. I got 5 girls in the same state now. These are only for the girls that are going to be here at the party today. For those who are not, I want to send them a different gift. Next in my box, I'm gonna glue that right there. The facial cleanser right there. Color in there. I'm gonna add these designs. These are just for ideas of what I'm looking for. Actually, I have 2 designs that I'm thinking for the bridesmaids. I'll put all of those there and place it right down there. My scrunchie, the bracelet, the pen, and the bath ball. Last but not least, I'm just gonna add this note right here. I can't tie the knot without you, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the other boxes and show you how I'm gonna close it. So this is what they look like. These 2 are the maid of honor. These 3 are bridesmaids. They all have similar items. I gave the maid of honors because I have some leftovers of those. I mean, I can always give them extra of a lot of the things too, because I have extra of the leftovers. So next, I'm gonna put the letters for each girl. So let me show you how this closes. Just hold this side, hold this side, hold this side, and just put in there, and it closes. It also came with these. This is one of the maid of honors. For the name tag, all I have to do is just glue this on top of these. Just put it there. You can tie it on it if you want to, or just let it hanging. And there you go. I'm also going to put the plant there. I also cut these evergreens from my front yarn. Just gonna add that here, like that.
We're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in this world, gonna get it right now. We only need the 2 of us together. We only need the two of us together.
There you go, you have the boxes for all the bridesmaids.
'Cause we got
There's one that is out of state, so I'm gonna have to mail hers. So this is the difference between the men and the women's boxes. So the ladies have their letters slanted and they have this greenery there. The boys have it just straight and they don't have the greenery. So that's the difference between the two. Okay guys, that's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed and I hope this gave you inspiration on how you can set up your boxes for your groommen and your bridesmaids. You can also do this for like the flower girl, anyone else that you feel like should have one of these boxes. You can put that together for them, and if you don't, that's fine. I hope you enjoyed these, and also comment below if you're going to be putting something like this for your wedding. Again, congratulations on your engagement, and I hope that you found these as great ideas to stay within your budget and do it yourself. I hope these were great DIYs for you and that you can put these together easily. Have fun on your wedding, and until then, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.
All your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. All of my scars start to heal when I'm with you, and I can't explain how I feel when I'm with you. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. Just come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Take me.
Are you? We'll talk about this. This is about to be real fun.
Okay, there we go. Should I open a letter or this one, the box?
We all get the same letters.
Okay, so what is it saying? I can't wait.
She's not even reading the picture.
Would you be my maid of honor?
Yes, we have two best men, so we did 2 maids of honors.
Nothing, man.
You don't have to, but is it that hard to open? Just rip it, it's okay.
Yes, of course.
What you got?
It's like
It's a long letter. It's a long letter.
I love the packaging. This is so nice.
Wow, look,
Gonna get me with looking at clothes.
Oh my god, this is so cute. It's super cute. It's so cute.
I had to do this morning.
Will you be my bridesmaid? Of course. Oh my god, it's so cute. Yes.
We're planning a wedding.
Yes, we are in there. We are in there.
I can read this later.
Yeah, if you want to.
No, that's a good thing.
Thank you. Ok, mon frère.
Bro, on se capte plus tard.
On se tient au courant.
She's like, what?